Welcome to B-MoneyTrading. I'm gonna keep this short. This is a $100 account challenge. You might say, well, what is that? Basically what I'm doing is I put $100 in a Robinhood account. Each week I get paid, I'll put $100 in and we'll see how quick we can grow it. I'm not a professional and I'm not brand new at trading, but I am semi-new to trading options. You can make a lot of money trading options, you can lose a lot, but that's neither here or there. So with that said, we're gonna look at the trade that I've been talking about. I got a new mic, so hopefully the sound quality is a lot better now. So I got into an earnings play on Dow, and which is Delta Airlines. Now, this is the 4 hour. Now, I talked yesterday about it having support, and it showed in the past it's hit support around 51, and it's held it. Now, I wasn't expecting it to break 51, but it's found new support today at 50, and you can see why. You can see this point it had is using it as resistance, and once it breaks through resistance, then it becomes a new support, and you can see up here it became a new support. I was expecting it to keep at 51, but it broke through down to 50. On the 5 minute, if you look, it's been holding it all day long. It's been staying at the $50 area. Now it's starting to make a turnaround, a reverse. And we'll go and pull up the trade. So on this trade, bought 2 contracts, the 52.50 call, paid $49 per contract. And I talked about yesterday about timing is important. If I bought 1 contract yesterday and then bought 1 today, potential to make profit and more profit would be a lot higher than what it is, but hindsight's always 20/20. You gotta keep that in mind. Now the earnings comes out tomorrow morning, and this contract expires Friday at the end of market close. And so basically I'm saying that Dow is going to be valued basically over $53, because that's what I needed to hit to break even. That when earnings comes out, it's going to make a significant jump. And as you can see on here on the 4 hour, it's been way oversold. With the hurricane coming and earnings coming up, people get real sketchy and start selling off. Or sometimes it does the exact opposite and people start buying up, and then when the earnings comes out you see a huge drop. Now, luckily doing options, I know what I'm risking. And in this case I'm risking $98. And so I said, once the account starts getting bigger, I won't take so much risk. And usually it's the opposite. You want to take a little risk when you got a small account, and then as the account grows and gets bigger, you can take a little bit more risk. But I'm trying to kind of give it a jump start. Everyone's got their own style and method of trading. And so with that said, please any comments and suggestions below, and whether good or bad, and I'll read them out loud and we'll review them. With that said, like I said, I'm gonna keep this short, so we'll see how this $100 account challenge goes. Friday I'll put in another $100, and then the Friday after that I'll put another 100, and with that compounding, and then hopefully these trades going and making money off of them, they'll continue to compound and grow significantly. You can see here it continues. It's gone back up. It's continuing to go back up. Now at one point, I was down quite a bit. I was down over 50% on this trade. You can see now though it's turning around, I'm down a little over 30%. This thing with options is you gotta be willing to take some risk. And with that said, as you know, for the day, I'm at break even. Overall, I'm down around 28.5%. But I won't take too much time. I'll do another recap later tonight. I'll go live and we'll just see how this $100 account challenge goes. Welcome anybody to join me with this challenge, and we'll see what we can do. All right, until then, take care, and I'll see you later.